With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given with a question, and the question says 1 kilowatt electrical heater is to be used with 220 volt DC supply. So we have the supply to be equal to 220 volt, and the power dissipated here is 1 kilowatt. So 1 kilowatt can be written as 1000 watt, right? So we have to find, and this is the power of the electric heater, not the power dissipated. So first of all, we will find the resistance here. Since power is equal to V square by R, so that can be written as from here, that can be written as since power is 1000, which is equal to V square, that is 220 into 220 by R. So therefore, R can be written as 22 into 22 divided by 10, which is equal to 48.4 ohms. Now the first question, that is the current. Current would be equal to V by R, right? So that is equal to 220 by 48.4, which can be written as, since it is 22 into 100 divided by 22 into 22. So it is equal to 100 by 22, right? So this would be approximated as 4.59 amperes. That is the answer for the first question. Now the power dissipated. Third question. Since power dissipated has formula I square R, so here I square would be 100 into 100 by 22 into 22, and R is 22 into 22 by 10. So this and this gets cancelled, this and this, so this equals 1000 watt, right? Now the fourth question that we have is how much heat in calories is produced per second. So we have to find the heat generated. So that would be equal to power into time by 1 joule, right? We have to convert it into calories. So it would be equal to 1000 into 1 second per. So it would be 4.2 in calories, right? So that can be written as, when we approximate this value, so this turns out to be equal to 240 calorie per second, right? Now the last question, that is fifth one. How many grams of water, so how many grams of water at 100 degrees centigrade will be converted per minute into steam at 100 degrees centigrade with the heater? So how much amount of water would be converted per minute? So what we can say is that heat generated per minute would be equal to 240 into 60, right? Since 1 minute is 60 seconds, so it turns out to be equal to 14400 calories. This is the amount of heat, right? Since we are given that the latent heat of steam is given as 540 calorie per gram. So this is the amount, this is the formula, that is H is equal to ml, right? So the M is the mass that is getting converted. So mass would be equal to the total heat divided by LS. So that would be 14400 divided by 540. So this 0 and this 0 get cancelled, right? So this value approximately turns out to be equal to 26.67 grams, right? That is the amount of mass. So these are the answers. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.